Digital marketing is the new buzzword. We all keep talking about digital marketing today. Is that the only thing that is important? Traditional marketing, क्या ये बिल्कुल अब खत्म हो गया है? As a marketer, what should I be focusing on? Hi, I'm Abhishek Jingan. Let's get started. So, what is digital marketing really? Any type of marketing जो डिजिटल हमारे डिवाइसेस, मोबाइल, इंटरनेट इसके थ्रू होता है, ऑनलाइन होता है, दैट इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. टिपिकली वेबसाइट प्रमोशंस, ईमेल कैंपेन्स, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, दिस इज ऑल इन द गैमेट ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. फिर ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग क्या होता है? व्हाट वी बीन सीइंग फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स. प्रिंट जैसे न्यूज़पेपर पे में एडवर्टाइजमेंट, मैगजीन्स में एडवर्टाइजमेंट, टेलीविजन कमर्शियल्स, रेडियो पे एड्स, all this comes, hoardings, all this comes under the gamut of offline marketing और जो आजकल हम बोलते हैं traditional marketing. Friends, but very important while knowing the basic digital and traditional marketing, we should also know one more basic कि ये दोनों चीजें come under the broad gamut of marketing, right? So marketing is the function which decides what is to be used. This is very important as we'll move forward. So now let us understand what are the advantages and disadvantages of both digital and traditional. क्या pros and cons क्या हैं? Digital marketing सबसे पहले it is more targeted. You can reach even small, very personal audiences, small size of audiences with digital marketing. Secondly, you can track better what is happening with the audience, if they have seen your email campaign or not. Third, you can retarget. अगर मैं किसी साइट पे जाता हूं और मैं वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेता, a few days later or in the days and hours to come, that marketing team can send me messages regarding that product in a different way, in a better way, that I keep remembering that product and maybe then I decide to go back and purchase it. So these are the advantages of digital. What are the disadvantages? In digital marketing, it is still a relatively new area. So not everyone knows what's the best way to use it. Not many experts are there. In traditional marketing on the other hand, the advantages are कि आप जहां reach चाहिए आपको, it's a good medium. If you can spend money, traditional marketing is excellent. In when you have like a carpet bombing kind of campaign, traditional marketing is the way to go. For some segments which still use a lot of traditional media, like lot of people over 50 still read newspapers and magazines in great detail. That's where traditional media can be used. Also, when you want a different kind of platform, if everyone is going towards digital, traditional media can be a differentiator. The cons are it is expensive. Traditional media tends to be expensive. You can't track, so there's wastage. But in all, one big advantage I have to admit that digital media has is the return on investment that you can get on any marketing campaign, because you can track better, you can analyze digital much better. You can know, say for an email campaign, how many people saw my email, how many did a click through, how many purchased my product. Similarly with websites, how many came to my website, or any other digital media, you have a lot more analytics and you can to a great extent measure your marketing ROI or return on investment. आप अच्छे से कर सकते हो. So how do we choose? हम कैसे डिसाइड करें कि हमें डिजिटल यूज करना है या ट्रेडिशनल मीडिया यूज करना है या मिक्सचर यूज करना है? Clearly we can see digital is better when you want more focused marketing, you want tracking to be an important part. Traditional also has advantages. जब आपके पास बजट अच्छा हो, where you want to do carpet bombing, where you want to reach a large number of people, traditional marketing also has a place. As a marketer, be very clear. Both of these, like we discussed, are part of your marketing strategy. So look at who is your target segment. He or she, वो कौन सा मीडिया ज्यादा यूज करते हैं, ज्यादा कंज्यूम करते हैं. क्या वो डिजिटल इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब पे ज्यादा है? देन दैट गिव्स यू एन आइडिया कि डिजिटल ज्यादा यूज करना है. आर देयर मोर ऑन द ट्रेडिशनल मीडिया? Magazines, hoardings have a place, point of sale at retailer. There you get an idea, maybe traditional you have to use more. So very important, go back to your strategy basics. It will help you decide. Also, sometimes it may be that all companies are using, for example, different types of digital media to target a particular kind of customer persona. In that case, आप ये भी सोच सकते हो, यार मेरे पास बजट तो है, why don't I use a television commercial? That sets me apart. So use marketing to decide all that you have learned about digital and traditional, and to decide what works for you. If you like this content and if you have any questions, clarifications or comments, reach out to me on my social media handles. For more such videos on this type of cutting edge marketing content, please do like, share and subscribe.